that he wants.
So we have our son Sergio here in the beginning of November 2012. He's really picked up on some of his handyman skills. And he is fixing the knobs on our... I think Jason Morse would be proud of this.
Oh yeah, for sure.
He's kind of chiseling it. He's doing a little chisel action over here. I see this a lot in fine stoneworking. How's it going, Sergio? You think you're going to get this job finished on time?
What about under budget?
Yeah, under budget works for me. I just don't want to get this bill. Can you show me your teeth and give me a big smile? All right. Good job. Excellent.